Important disclaimer: this is for entertainment and education only. Technical analysis is not a guarantee. Investing involves risk. Always consult a professional. Technical analysis is the method of predicting future price movement based on historical market data, and it all starts with reading the chart itself. Tool 1. Candlestick Charts. This is the most popular chart type. A single candlestick tells you 4 things about a time period: the open, high, low, and close price. The color of the body, typically green or red, tells you instantly if the price closed higher or lower than it opened. This helps you read market sentiment at a glance. Tool 2. Support and resistance. These are the foundational concepts of chart analysis. Support is a price level where buying pressure usually appears, stopping the price from falling further. Resistance is the price level where selling pressure tends to appear, preventing the price from rising. These levels act as psychological barriers where traders consistently buy or sell. When the price breaks above resistance or below support, it often signals strong momentum, and the broken level often flips its role. Tool 3. Trendlines. Trendlines visualize the market's direction and speed. They are simple straight lines connecting common price points. An uptrend line is drawn by connecting 2 or more consecutive higher lows. This line shows the dynamic support for a bullish market. Conversely, a downtrend line is drawn by connecting 2 or more consecutive lower highs. This line acts as dynamic resistance for a bearish market. Chart patterns themselves are simply structures bounded by these trend lines and support resistance zones. They consolidate the battle between buyers and sellers into a concise picture. Mastering these 3 basics, candles, support resistance, and trend lines, will allow you to clearly identify and trade the complex patterns we cover next in the playlist. What stock or asset chart are you analyzing right now? Let us know in the comments. Subscribe to Weather Finance, and let's decode the charts together.